In this video, we're going to show you how to install the high-low beam bulb on your Ford Focus located inside your headlamp assemblies. Now with the hood open, I'm going to go ahead and access the two 10mm bolts holding the headlamp assembly. There's one right here and one right here. Let's loosen and remove these. On the top of the grill assembly here, you're going to find 4 plastic push pins. We're going to use our trim tool, pop out the center of these push pins, about 3/4 of the way, and then go underneath the base and pull out the remainder. And we're going to do this for all 4 of these. Set those aside, we'll be reusing those later. Go ahead and gently pull outward. Okay, lift this up, set it aside. Go ahead and remove the third 10mm bolt holding the headlamp. We're going to take our headlamp assembly and we're going to lift it up. We're going to dislodge the little locking pin on the top of this tab, pulling it forward. Lift it up gently and then pull it forward. Now right here is the high and low beam bulb. I'm going to pinch on the tab on the back side of the connector. Disconnect that. Now on the back side, there's a little twist lock tab on there. We're going to turn that counterclockwise and unlock it, and then pull this out. I want to take your bulb assembly. I want to go ahead and install it. Now these are keyed, so this has a larger tab on one side and then 2 smaller ones. So they're going to match up with your headlamp port. It's only going to go in one way, so you can continue to rotate that in until it lines up and then twist it clockwise. Snap that in, and then take your connector, line that up, and push it on. You're going to hear and feel it lock into place. Now, as a note, on the bottom side of your headlamp assembly, there's going to be a metal retainer clip right here. That's going to line up with the panel inside. So now we can go ahead and feed this into position. Line this up. Once that's lined up, we're going to go ahead and push the headlamp assembly down. You can hear that metal clip lock in. Line up the tab on the top side here. Push that in. Now we can install our 3 bolts holding our headlamp assembly. Now we're just going to get all of these started, and then we're going to come back and snug them down. Now just gently snug them down. Now at this point here, our headlamp assembly is installed. Let's now install our grille. Now before we install our grille, take into consideration if you're replacing the bulb on the passenger side, go ahead and replace it on the driver's side. It's always good to do them in pairs. It's going to be done the same process on that side there. But now we can go ahead and line up our grille assembly. Line this up on the bottom. Line up the tabs and then push it in. All of the holes up top are going to line up for our plastic push pins, and let's go ahead and install those. Go ahead and push that base in and then press the top down. Repeat this process right across the front. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.